Hello, grade 9 student. I want to clarify about the histogram, so not histogram, about the cumulative frequency graph in here. So after the data is sorting in here, yeah, we already sort on Croatia and Greece only. Yeah, we have this data. We don't need this data. Italy for the task. Okay, I want to make the class interval in here. Look at here. This is start from 10 until the last one in Croatia. We get the data is 36.9. I will highlight it here. This is the last data, and then when we block this data, we can see the data is around 78 data. We can get here 78 data. Now we will divide it. Yeah, if we get the data, the minimum is 10 and then the maximum is 36 in here, we can see the difference is 26, right? So if the difference 26, we can make it, the data is around, the class interval is around 555. Yeah, so in this case I make the data is around 555 here. Yeah, this is, I start from 10 and then, okay, I will use less than equal sign because I don't have symbol of less than equal. I will copy from Google. Where is the symbol less than or equal? Okay, here I put in here. This is my sign. Okay, I will change this. And so on. Yeah, you will continue later. Okay, after that we will see the data from 10 until 15 here. We get the data from 10 until 15. We short the data already short. Yeah, here we get is around 64 data. Look at in the bottom right corner. And then 15 until 20 we get the data is around 10. Yeah, so we have here is 64, 10, and then 20 until 25 is 0, 25 until 30 is 1, 30 until 35 is 0, and then 35 until 40 is 3. Now this is frequency. I give the symbol here is frequency. Here is cumulative frequency. Yeah, cumulative frequency. Okay, the cumulative frequency we got 64, and then here is equal this one. Yeah, okay, I will delete first. Yeah, before it's empty here. This is equal the top, add with the left side 10 here, 74, and then we can drop down this one until the last class interval, until this only. So the total is the same, 78 and 78 is the same. Now, and then I will make, okay, I will delete first here. I will make the midpoint first. Midpoint. Okay, midpoint we get from 10 and 15. So 25, if we add together 10 and 15 divided by 2 is 25. So 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. Continue with 17.5 and so on. We will block it here. We will do it like this. And then we have the cumulative frequency. Yeah, this one I copy again to make the, what is that, to make the cumulative frequency graph. Yeah, I paste the value only. Yeah, the value only. Now from this data we will put in Desmos. We will copy and then put in Desmos. Yeah, now we get the data like this and then we connect it. This is the data that I create. Now I'm pretty sure you confused about, Mr. how is the value of Q1, Q2, Q3? Q1, Q2, Q3, I will write it here, Q1, Q2, Q3, we get the data from the total frequency. In this case the total frequency is 78. Yeah, 78. So Q1 is 25% data from 78, yeah, and then here is 50% data from 78, and then here is 70% 5 data, yeah, 75% data. Or we can state this one is 1/4, this is 1/2, here is 3/4, yeah, Q1 Q2 Q3. In here 78 divided by 4 we get is 39, divided by 2 is 39, and then we got here is 78 divided by 4 is 19.5, and then we got this one, we will times 3 is 58.5. Now the problem when you put this data in this Desmos, yeah, so y equal 19.5, and then here is y equal 39, and then here is y equal 58.5. So the line is under the curve, yeah, under the graph. So look at this is the line, yeah. Mr. Why like this, Mr. Why not nice like this? Yeah, because we forget about these things, yeah. Look at here, the frequency cumulative, yeah, here, yeah. So the data from 10 until 15 is 64, and then the data below 10 of course is 0. So we will create again, actually we can create again, yeah. I copy here, yeah, I copy, I put it down, yeah. This one I delete first, yeah. Wait, I want to clarify this one so it will be different. Okay, so we will write here this is 10 because the 10, yeah, if the 10 below 10, it means below 10 the data is 0 here, but below 10 the data is 0. Now if you put like this, yeah, this data, Control C, and then you put in the Desmos again, okay, Control V. Now of course the graph will start from 0. Nah, okay, I will change this one, the y-axis here is start from 0 until 50, oh sorry, 0 until 50 until 79, and then the x-axis is start from 0 until 50. Now we can see this one, the graph, yeah, the graph looks nice, yeah. So we can find the intersection between Q1, Q2, Q3 from here. So this is Q1, yeah, be careful, yeah, Q1. If you're not sure, you can zoom it and then click it again, Q1. Now, and then screenshot it, okay, Q1, and put in here Q1, the data of Q1. Now this is Q1, okay, Q2, this is Q2, the red, screenshot it, you put in the Q2, okay, yeah, and then the last is Q3, this is Q3. We get the data 3 data here, we get it. Nah, okay, so once more again, yeah, my explanation before in the class I make mistake, yeah. So once more again, Q1 is 20% from the total frequency is 78, this one is 19.5, 39, 58, and then you will add here, yeah, to make the graph is start from 0, yeah, this is from 0, let's look at it, this is 0, this is 10, yeah, it means below 10, look at the data is 0, below 10 the data is 0, and then we start here, the data of this is 64, the data is, oh sorry, below 12.5 the data is 64. Now below 17.5 the data is 74, and so on. Okay, that's the way to read the data. Yeah, you can see here below 10 is 0, below 15 is 64, below 20 is 74, below 25 is 74, below 30 is 75, below 35 is 75, below 40 the total data is 78. Yeah, so below 10 is 0, below 10 is 0, we just write. No, mister, this one is different, mister, the difference is 5. Why not follow the difference? Yeah, this is only make the data in the graph, only help you to make the data in the graph. So start from 0 only, okay, in Desmos, so your data will clear enough like this. Okay, I think that's all that I want to clarify about Q1, Q2, Q3 from this data, because yeah, this is rare data. Yeah, usually the data is not appear like this. Yeah, because in the task 11 February the data we can see clearly, yeah, the scatter plot. Okay, it's cut the cumulative frequency, but the previous is not cut the frequency cumulative. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much. Hopefully you understand. Bye bye.